Hello, good afternoon. Come back cooking with me again. Today I'm gonna make the glass noodle with chicken and seafood in that. What is seafood in that? Seafood. Salad. Okay, first I boil the chicken for 10 minutes with hot boiling. Where is the water is boiling, so you put chicken. And for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes for chicken, and for 5 minutes for a seafood. And for glass noodle, you put like 5 minutes too. In the medium hot water. Okay, now and then spicy and garlic I already blended in the back, and I already chopped a carrot and the tomato and 2 whole lamb, and then white onion and red onion. Let's start mix all together. Now I'm gonna bring my bowl here. You can see. I'll put this. I don't know this side. I'll put my bowl here. Right. First, I'm gonna put a spice. I think I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons. And now I put a sugar. I put sugar 1 whole tablespoon. Maybe put 2 tablespoons because I have a lot, you know. I put a glass noodle 3 bag. Yeah, like little 3 bag. Okay, now I'm gonna have a fish sauce. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put 5 fish sauce. And now I put a chicken, and I put this seafood all together now. Put it, and noodle. Hold on, let me cut. I'm gonna cut a noodle. Glass noodle, okay. Okay, and put carrot, tomato, everything now. Put everything. Oh, where's my cilantro? Okay. I almost forgot cilantro. Okay. And cilantro. Okay. Lamb. Squeeze it. not gonna mix together, but I'm gonna use the bag. I don't want my hand. This is spicy. What do you think? Looks good, right? This my glass noodle spicy with chicken and seafood salad. Okay, and then I hope you guys like it, and please subscribe, like and share with my glass noodle with chicken and seafood salad. Thank you so much, and we will see you guys again next video. Bye now.